What's up, everybody? Scott here. Wanted to show you this 303 Squadron board game that I got to be able to play by myself and with other friends, as it is a single player game and a multiplayer game, board game. So it's based on World War II, and I love World War II history and aviation history. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the package here. All right, so here's some of the artwork on the back, and then as you can see over here, it is for ages 14 plus, and it is 1 to 4 players, and takes about 60 minutes or more to play. And then, it gives some information on the 303 Squadron. It was the most effective RAF unit during the Battle of Britain. So basically, this is about the Battle of Britain. So we'll go ahead and open up the box. Here's some booklets that's in the table of contents here. Got your introduction, golden rules, some information about the pilots, your game units, your scenarios, and the events. As you can see here, as I flip through it, there's your introduction, your golden rules, your pilot stuff. Here's some stuff about the aircraft. So one reason I wanted this is because the aircraft do come in here, and they look like the actual aircraft, and then you can paint them the way you want to paint them, with the way they looked, or you can just make your own paint schemes, which is pretty cool. So there's that booklet, and then here's the rule booklet, game flow, components, game setup, turn phases. Got all your phases there, as you can see here. So you want to read these before you get started. Just some good information about the game, how to play. And then back here in the back is solo game. So this talks about preparing the game for one player. So you want to read that if you play it by yourself. That's one of the main reasons I got it. So here's some of your game pieces. There's that one. Here's the back side of them. And then this looks like this is one of your game boards. There's one game board. Looks like these all go together. So it is split up into two game boards that you put together to play. So you put them together to play the game. Obviously, like I said, you want to read the rules. And then here's some of your other game pieces. So you got those right there. It's got the 303 Squadron logo on the back. Here's a nice little pouch for your game pieces. Got your cards, your aircraft cards right here. More game pieces. Does have this bag that closes back up, so you can use that. These look like these are the stands for the aircraft, and then here's your stands in this bag right here. So you want to use those, and then here's all your aircraft. So go ahead and take a couple out. So there you go. You can paint these. Looks like this looks like an RA. There's some of the Luftwaffe aircraft, as you can see. Another reason I did get this game is it does come with, you can buy some expansion packs if you want to get those. Another Luftwaffe aircraft. And then last, you got some more RAF aircraft. Actually, those are more Luftwaffe aircraft. My fault. So last, you got some more aircraft here. The enemy aircraft, German aircraft. And here's some more game pieces. It looks like these are your dice to play. And then some other pieces here. So really looking forward to playing this game and getting it going. And probably mostly be playing it by myself. But wanted to pick it up as it is pretty detail oriented, and I love aviation history.